it's Angeline here. Today I have an unboxing video to share with you, and this is the basic grey warehouse box that I recently got, and can't wait to see it. This is my first time opening it, and so let's see what's in it together. Okay, so let me remove all this. This box was at, I think, $38 or something, but because of where I'm living, the shipping costed me quite a bit, but I think it's still worth it. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so first up is some pocket assortment cards. I think they have a few designs here. That's pretty cool for project life or cards. This is from the Hello line, I suppose. And here we have a Stitch Breads pack. Pretty cute. I like the design. This is some sort of fabric. Okay, let's see what's this. Some decorative stickers. I think it's paper or something. Alright, pretty neat. Another pack of stuff from the Hello line. I think it's some die cuts. Here's what it looks like inside. Alright, I like this one. It's quite a lot. Another decorative stickers. I'm not sure which line is it from. And some blings. Flowers. It's pretty neat. And this is a rub-on and rhinestone. Some journaling card with transparencies. I think this is what it looks like. It's great for traveling. Some stickers and transparencies. Yeah, here's what it looks like. Some stickers. Chipboard stickers. Some alphabets in a few colors. Some cozy posies. I think this would be great for a wedding album or a baby album. Some Hey You flags. Oh, I like this one. It's called Hey Girl. It's a 6x6 pack. Let's see what's inside. I like the colors and the patterns. Right, and this looks like a binder with rings in it, and it contains 4 craft pages and some envelope pocket page. Alright, I have a bunch of stickers here. Let's see what's inside. If I can open it. Okay, this one's from the Fresh Cut. Like that. Not sure which this is from, but I like this one. This one's some baby borders, some persimmon stickers. I think this would be great for spring or summer or even fall. This would be great for Project Life again. This is a baby one. I think lots of this is the baby season, so this would be great. Some wedding borders. Christmas! It's gonna be here in a few months' time, so it's great to get an early start off. And this would be great for a holiday at the beach. School stickers, some more Christmas stickers. I like this one, and that's it. And what do we have here? Okay, let's take a look at this one first. This is the Hey You 12x12 paper pack. Let's see what's inside. It's double-sided. That's alright. And lastly, we have I think this is a 12x12 sticker sheet. I'm gonna attempt to open that now. Let's see what's inside. This. I like this one. This is cute. Look at the bird and the bunny. Christmas. Wedding stickers. This is fun. I like the colors. Oh, this is cute. I like this. The hipster stickers. Oh, check that out. This would be great for a 1-year-old kid. Some tea party stickers. Butterflies and birds, and some boy or traveling. Yeah, this is traveling stickers. So that's it. I would say it's alright for the price, but I have expected more from this box. But so far I'm not disappointed over whatever I had in the box, so that's cool. So thanks for watching. Bye! If you liked today's video, click the thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button now. And to keep updated on the social media, like my Facebook page and follow me on Pinterest.